Okay, so here are some problems from section 11.7, which is circumference of a circle. So number 9, you're supposed to find the circumference of that circle. Well, number 9, the formula we're going to use is 2 pi r. You can use pi d or 2 pi r, it doesn't matter. Number 9, 2 pi r circumference, because the radius is what we have, and it's 10. Okay, so in terms of pi, it's 20 pi is the circumference, and then we get out our calculator, do 20 times pi if we want to get a decimal approximation. Which is 62.8. Circumference. Number 11, the next one to look at. This one, they've given us the diameter, which is 5.7 feet, so we can use pi d. So pi times 5.7. 17.91, or the nearest tenth circumference is 17.9. So there we go for those two. Now for the next problem I want to take a look at. Science. Number 18. The circumference of the moon is about 6,790 miles. What is the distance from the center to the center of the moon in kilometers? Round to the nearest kilometer. Now the trick to this one is realizing that they've given us the circumference of the moon. They want to know the distance to the center of the moon. That means they really want to know the radius. So circumference is 2 pi r, and in our problem our radius is 6,790 miles. Okay. So we want to divide by 2 pi to solve for r, which means we got to get our calculator out. Do 6,790 divided by, and then put parentheses in there, 2 pi. Whoops, wrong button. Which gives us 1080.66. The problem is that's miles too. This problem says I don't want it in miles, it says I want it in kilometers. And 1 mile is about 1.6 kilometers, so what I'm going to have to do is divide then 1080.66 by 1.6. So 1080.66 divided by 1.6, which is 675. No, strike that, I did that wrong. Derp. I need to multiply by 1.6. Ugh, silly Mr. Moyer. 1080 by 66 times 1.6, which is 1729.056. So 1729 kilometers. Okay. And then the last one for this section, pick this problem because my wife used to work at a carousel actually. The world's largest carousel in Spring Green, Wisconsin has a diameter of 80 feet. How far does a rider travel on an outside horse after 10 revolutions? Okay, so here's the deal. Again, we're talking about a circle. The diameter is 80 feet. But our question is, how far have we traveled if we went around 10 times? So let's find one revolution. Well, one revolution is circumference, so it's pi d. Pi times 80, which has an exact answer is 80 pi feet. But I went 10 rounds, so I'm going to multiply that by 10. So 10 revolutions is going to be 800 pi feet. But as far as an approximation goes, 800 times 3.14 gives us 2512. So 2,512 feet, which is about a half mile. Okay.